Alright, you guys, so we have our Wig Wag t-shirt here. I just rinsed it with cold water and then warmed it up a little bit. Cannot talk, just like always. Warmed it up a little bit so that it would help get all the excess dye out. I actually let it sit in there for quite a while, probably 15-ish minutes. Probably 15-ish minutes. Anyway, so we have hunter green, lime pop green, red violet, lavender, and black for the shirt. I'm excited to see what it looks like because this will be my second wig wag. If I can get the kite string off. Also, if you haven't seen the intro for some reason, everything that I use for my videos, literally everything is in the links in the description boxes below of every single video. So doesn't matter what video it is, If you click on my description box, they're all down there. All right, so we got the Wig Wag. And I think we got, so the Kite String sucks up some of the dye when you dye it. I don't know if any of you have ever seen that or noticed that. But we got some lines in here, and I think they look really cool, but we'll see what it looks like. Okay. One. Ooh, I like that. It'll be a lot lighter when we wash it and dry it, but we do have some black lines in there from the Kite String. You can see that. But I like the colors that go together. The forest green is way darker than Lime Pop, so maybe next time, maybe go with an emerald, but I like the colors. Alright, you guys, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Up next, we have a mandala tapestry, and I'm going to call it the flower mandala. It is not the star flower. It's kind of just my own random looking thing. I kind of got some inspiration online, but I wanted to put a couple things together. So I did some really pretty colors for that, and that's coming up next. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Turn it on to all. You'll be notified as soon as we post it. Thank you again for watching, and happy tie-dyeing.